Can you see yourself in the 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLE? Advanced tech and refined luxury come together in a bold expression of elegance in this GLE SUV. Driver assist features and muscular performance bring a new sense of confidence, while sleek, iconic style elements and highline passenger amenities engage the emotions for a ride that's truly captivating. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: all-wheel drive, sun moonroof, navigation system, keyless entry, remote engine start, keyless start, cooled front seat, active suspension, power passenger seat, premium sound system. Boldly powerful yet serenely luxurious. That's the GLE SUV. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.